Alright, hey everyone. We don't have a lot of snow. We're at the end of January here. We only got about a foot of snow, so. And I already plowed, but I'm gonna try these new tires. I put new tires on. They're 28-inch, 9 on the front, 11 on the back. I stuck with the Mud Light 2s because I've had good luck with them. And the track's on 14-inch rims. So, I'm liking them. They look good. I'm not going too big. That's as big as I'm going. And I put these little things on here because I couldn't see the plow and I kept hitting stuff, but I already lost the end cap on that one, so I'm gonna have to tape that up. So I'm gonna go out and do a quick little test. This is my new GoPro Hero 11. I want to see how that works and sounds. I've got the XGP communicator on. I'm going to play some music and do a little plow, test the tires, and that's about that. Something to do anyways. Getting bored, man. It's gonna be a long time yet till spring, so we'll go and try this thing out. So this little compartment here, you can get the there's a screw-in bracket, and the bracket holds your phone in here, but then you lose a lot of space. But you got a little plug here, and you can put a charger in there, or a phone plug charger. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put a plug in there. Then I can plug my phone in, and I can just put my phone in there. Normally I'll have other stuff in there, so that's where the phone will be. And it stays semi-warm in there. The heat from the engine comes up. So it's about, I think it's about -6 right now. I plowed my trail that goes to the back here. I run the tires around with it. I'll have to do a video on that next time it snows, if it snows again. I'm gonna plow. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna plow through here over to the shed there. See how these tires go. So should be interesting. Should be no problem. It's pretty. It's about like I said, it's about a foot powder. So I'll give her a shot. Okay, so you can see the new GoPro Hero 11. Got the media mod on it, and I got it plugged in to a external mic. So let's give this a try. Plows, no problem. Tires grip really good. Kerbonk. Hit the tree. I'm really liking this setup. Everything seems to work well. Stock tires on this thing were 26s, and I got 28s on here, so I put this little windsock on it. This is the Hero 5. It's got horrible sound to begin with, so maybe this will help it out a bit. It'll also keep it a little cleaner. Gonna do a little run down the trail here, check it out. Show you the trail. This is the part where I usually hit all the trees in here. Gotta fill this section in a bit this summer. Big rocks, and I'll make it a little more level so I can get the lawnmower back here. Keep the trail nice and trimmed. That's just a turnaround there at the edge of the property over there. Neighbor's property back here. Whoa. Okay, we're gonna do some that was unintentional, but we're gonna do some riding in the snow. What the heck did I just run over there? Somebody's sleeping back there, I guess, in the snow. I'd say the tires do pretty good in the snow. Right on. That was a good little test. And no issues in the snow. I hit that tree yesterday, the day before. Trying to plow, boom. And then that just goes back around again. Okay, little test here, and the ditch. Ooh, slam the plow down. I could plow this whole trail here, and then the sledders would have nothing. They got nothing anyways right now, so. Slip sliding away. Playing the music right now, it's kind of nice. Big rocks. I don't think I'll go down in the ditch. I might never come back out again. Yep. All right. I say that was a success. Everything's working well. Comms are working. Music. GoPro's working. Tires are working. Even the rear rack. See, I got my tool bag in there. Right on. Like I said, when I get that plug, I'll be putting that in. And that's hopefully the last thing that I'm going to put on this. Yeah, everything else on here. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the winter. Lots left.